he has gone to a better place. I believe so.
And may his soul rest in peace now. Former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua is set to officially terminate his membership in the United Democratic Alliance, UDA, and unveil a new political party this Sunday at his Munyoro rural home in Nyeri County. This move follows his removal as UDA deputy leader through a Gazette notice 3 weeks ago. Since his ouster, Gachagua has become an outspoken critique of President William Ruto's administration, accusing it of failing to deliver on the promises made during the 2022 campaigns. Clement Masombo with this report.
Having once been a key figure in the formation of the Kenya Kwanza government, Gachagua now wears the hat of an opposition politician, accusing the UDA leadership of neglecting the interest of the Mount Kenya region. The former DP has been holding strategic meetings at his Madera home since November 2024 as he plots his political comeback.
Nilikuwa nimeahidi ya kwamba by January 31st, nitakuwa nimesanya maoni ya watu wetu na vile wataniambia nitoe mwelekeo yetu ya kisiasa kuendelea mbele. Natoka kuomba msamaha, nimechelewa kidogo kwa sababu maoni imekuwa mengi sana. Na nilikuwa nafikiria ni watu ya mlima peke yake watakuja, watu ya Masai wakakuja, watu ya Kisii wakakuja, watu ya kwa Nyanza wakakuja, watu ya Western wakakuja. Nikaona hatutaki tuwafungie nje. Ama mngetaka tuwafungie? So tukaona tuchukue maoni kwa kila mtu. Na bado ninaendelea, kwa hivyo nimechelewa kidogo.
On Sunday, Gachagua is expected to make a highly anticipated announcement about his next political steps, including the unveiling of his new party, which intends to form alliances with leaders from other regions. So far, he has expressed interest in working with opposition leaders such as Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka, DAP-K's Eugene Wamalwa, Jubilee Party leaders, and Martha Karua, who was Raila Odinga's running mate in the 2022 general election. While it remains unclear whether Gachagua will register a new party or align with an existing one, speculation is rife that he may settle for the People's Party of Kenya, which was registered in April 2012, according to the Office of the Registrar of Political Parties.
Lakini tariki 9 Sunday coming, ndio nitakuwa na nafasi nitoe ile interim report ya yale maoni nimepata, ile interim on Sunday jioni. Nitaongea kwa maredio zetu zote, ndio nimueleze vile watu wameniambia hii, wanataka tupange namna hii, nitoe interim report, alafu niendelee kusikiza maoni ya kila mtu. Si ni mzuri kusikiza maoni? Na tena hatutaki kukibilia kwa sababu hatutaki kufanya makosa.
Today, Gachagua held consultations with leaders from Nakuru, Meru, and Kirinyaga counties as he continues to build momentum ahead of his Sunday declaration. Clement Masombo, KTN.
Yes, indeed. And tomorrow, as Second Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua will be giving his statement and also launching his party, we will be there to bring you what is happening bit by bit, blow by blow. Be sure to join us tomorrow. But now let us take a short commercial break. And as we head there, tomorrow's Kenya's bold newspaper,